The 2014 Porsche 997 GT2 by OK-Chiptuning. We are all waiting for the new generation Porsche 911 GT2 to arrive, but until the day comes, German tuner OK-Chiptuning took another look at the old GT2. A base 911 GT2 delivered 530 horsepower to 90 horsepower less than the more powerful GT2 RS, which unfortunately was limited to only 500 units. This is where OK-Chiptuning comes in to help you out, as it takes a standard GT2 and increase its power to beyond the level of a 911 GT2 rupees. This tuning kit includes a new Akrapovic racing exhaust system with manifolds and sport catalysts, a high-quality racing clutch from Sachs and modified GT2 RS intercoolers. With these updates in place, the GT2 equipped with the Clubsport package delivers a total of 680 horsepower to 60 horsepower more than a GT2 RS, and 649 pound-feet of torque. With the extra power, the 911 GT2 from OK-Chiptuning goes from 100 km per hour to 200 km per hour, 62 miles per hour to 124 miles per hour in just 5.1 seconds, from 0 to 124 miles per hour in 8.4 seconds and to 186 miles per hour in about 21.3 seconds. For comparison's sake, the GT2 RS does the latter two sprints in 9.4 and 24.7 seconds. Click past the jump to read more about the Porsche 997 GT2 by OK-Chiptuning. Porsche 997 GT2 by OK-Chiptuning in detail. The 911 GT2 was updated with a new racing exhaust system from Akrapovic. It rides on a new set of 19-inch Ultraleggera HLT wheels wrapped in Dunlop SP Sport Max tires and combined with ceramic brakes. The rear was updated with the original GT2 RS rear end, including LED taillights. The interior was updated with racing seats, a carbon Alcantara trim and a roll cage for increased protection.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.